Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change alarm tone in your phone, alarm ringtone in your phone Vivo Y16. First go to the settings of a phone here and then go to display and brightness. Sorry. You have to go to sound and here select alarm ringtone, and here alarm ringtone is set to find day. At present find day is set to alarm. Okay, if you want to change to some other tone, yes, you can do it. Clock alert, this is clock alert ringtone for alarm. This is crisp ring, this is cycle oscillation. Then early in the morning, get moving. So in this way we can easily just set to any alarm tone. Okay, I finally set to get moving. You can also use custom ringtone. Click on custom ringtone. Here also some of the ringtones are available. You can choose. If you have any music file in your memory card, you will have the option to add the file from there. Okay, but here unfortunately I don't have memory card inserted in my phone, so it's not showing. So in this way you can easily control alarm tone. You can set any alarm tone. You can change from current tone to any other tone in your phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.